In our last video, my friends, we discussed the importance of long-term planning and foresight, exploring how Chanakya's teachings emphasize anticipating the future to make impactful decisions today. Let's be honest, we all have big visions, but how do we actually achieve them? What if ancient wisdom could guide us in breaking down our grandest goals into achievable steps? Today, we are exploring Chanakya's approach to setting and achieving strategic goals. Chanakya's strategies for accomplishing big objectives are timeless, offering us a practical roadmap that leaders and organizations can use even today. First, define a clear vision. Chanakya taught that leaders should start with a crystal clear objective. It's about understanding not just what you want to achieve, but why. He believed a compelling why drives both strategy and action. And this is something modern leaders use to align their team's efforts towards a shared purpose. Second, break down goals into manageable milestones. Chanakya advised that large goals should be broken down into smaller, more manageable parts. This is like a principle we know today as chunking in goal-setting frameworks. Each milestone, no matter how small, brings us closer to the ultimate objective. This incremental approach also builds confidence and momentum along the way. Imagine having a big picture vision and knowing exactly how to reach it. Step by step, milestone by milestone. This is where Chanakya's wisdom truly shines. Third, evaluate and adapt regularly. Chanakya believed that flexibility is essential. He encouraged leaders to review their progress periodically and adjust their strategies as needed. Today, we call this agile management, where continuous improvement and quick adaptability to change are key to success. Fourth, prepare for challenges. For Chanakya, risk preparedness was vital. He knew that any ambitious goal would come with obstacles, so he stressed having contingency plans. Modern management emphasizes the same today, advocating for risk assessment and backup plans to ensure resilience and stability. Finally, commit to consistent action. Chanakya's approach emphasized discipline. He believed that regular, focused efforts turn goals into reality. This is a concept that resonates today with leaders who champion consistency over motivation. It's not about waiting for the right moment, but creating progress with each small, consistent action. So, what's stopping you from achieving your biggest goals? With Chanakya's guidance, we have a clear and actionable roadmap. All it takes is the discipline to follow through. Chanakya's methods for setting and achieving strategic goals teach us that ambition, when combined with clear planning, resilience, and adaptability, can lead to remarkable success. His approach reminds us that big visions are built with one step at a time. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll explore the tools and techniques for effective strategic planning, diving into the specific strategies Chanakya used to turn his plans into action. Make sure to subscribe and stay with us as we continue this journey through Chanakya's teachings, which is soon to be featured in my upcoming book that's releasing on the 7th of March. See you in the next video.